Today we're going to learn how to crochet this hat. Wrap the yarn around your finger twice. Insert the crochet hook through the yarn loop and make 3 chains. Place a stitch marker on the 3rd chain stitch. These 3 chains count as the first stitch. Work 11 double crochets into the yarn ring. Pull tight the yarn ring. Join with a slip stitch into the chain stitch. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Beginners should place a stitch marker on the chain stitch every row. Work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. This completes the first increase group. Repeat this increase for a total of 12 groups. At the end, work a slip stitch into the chain stitch. 3 chain stitches. For all subsequent rows, these 3 chains count as the first stitch. Work a DC 2 and 1 into the next stitch. The first increase group is complete. Follow this pattern to work 11 more increase groups. Join with a slip stitch to the chain stitch at the end. 3 chain stitches. Work a DC 2 and 1 into the next stitch. Then work 1 double crochet. The first increase group is complete. The increase pattern for this row is double crochet, DC 2 1, double crochet. Follow this pattern for 12 groups total. Join with a slip stitch to the chain stitch at the end. Fifth round, 3 chains. Work 2 double crochets in sequence. One DC 2 and 1. The increase pattern for this row is 3 double crochets. 1 DC 2I and 1. Follow this pattern for 12 groups total. Join with a slip stitch to the chain stitch at the end. 3 chain stitches. Work a double crochet into the next stitch. 1 DC 2 1. Work 2 double crochets in sequence. This completes 1 increase group. The increase pattern for this row is 2 double crochets, DC 2 and 1, 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern 12 times. Join with a slip stitch to the chain stitch at the end. 7th row, 3 chain stitches. Work 4 double crochets in sequence. One DC 2 1. This completes 1 increase group. The increase pattern for this row is 5 double crochets, 1 increase. Follow this pattern to complete the round. Join with a slip stitch to the chain stitch at the end. The increasing section is completed. If the dimension doesn't meet your needs, continue by increasing 1 stitch every 6 stitches. Here, I work until increasing 1 stitch every 5 stitches, then begin the fan pattern. 3 chain stitches. Skip 2 stitches. On the third stitch, work 5 double crochets. One fan shape is completed. Skip 2 stitches, then work a single crochet on the next stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. 1 single crochet, 1 fan shape, with 2 skip stitches in between. At the end, skip 5 stitches. Turn with 3 chain stitches. Work 5 double crochets into the third double crochet of the fan shape. Work 1 double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. Follow this row pattern. Work fan shapes over fan shapes and double crochets over double crochets to complete the row. Finish with 1 double crochet into the chain stitch at the end. Turn with 3 chain stitches. Follow the previous row pattern and work 9 rows for the fan shape section. The fan shape section consists of 9 rows. The double crochet increase section is 7 rows, for reference only. Adjust the stitch count and row numbers according to your actual needs. In the last episode, we covered the main part, crocheting for adult size. Next, we'll learn the edging and tie sections. Both hats use the same edging technique. Here, I'll demonstrate using the blue hat's edging. After completing the main part, work to chain stitches, then work to half double crochets into each double crochet of every row. Work 1 half double crochet at the junction of double crochets. Follow this pattern to complete the round. End of edging for 1 round. Work 45 chain stitches. Starting from the third chain from the end, work 1 half double crochet and pull through 43 half double crochets in sequence. When reaching the hat body, work single crochets all the way around the hat body. Complete the round, then work 45 chains. Work a half double crochet into the third chain from the end. Crochet to the last stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the hat body. This tie is finished. Cut the yarn and end.